Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare moong dal or split green gram laddu. For this, add a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. To this, add about 10 to 15 cashew nuts. Fry them. We are going to fry this until lightly brown. Our cashew nuts are ready. Set this aside. In the same ghee, we are going to fry 1 cup of moong dal, that is split green gram. Once it starts changing color, we are going to add quarter cup of fried gram. Saute everything well until it gets a golden brown color. The moong dal has almost changed its color. You can switch off the flame and let it cool. After it cools down, transfer it into a mixie jar and make it into a fine powder. Our moong dal powder is ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. Set this aside. Next, we are going to melt the jaggery. This is 1 cup of jaggery. To this, add quarter cup of water. Mix this and start heating this up. We don't want to boil this, just heat it until it melts. This is ready. You can switch off the flame and let it cool. Next, we are going to add the fried cashews into the moong dal powder and a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Now let us add the melted jaggery into this little by little and give a nice mix. I have already filtered the jaggery. You can do this laddu in two ways. One is by melting the jaggery and adding into the moong dal powder. The other way is you can directly add the jaggery into the mixie jar along with the moong dal and make it into a powder. By that way, you have to saute the grinded mixture in a teaspoon of ghee again until it heats up. You don't want to saute it for more than 2 or 3 minutes. You can switch off the flame, and when the heat is bearable, you can make it into balls. That will be a dry version of this laddu, but both will taste so good. This mixture is almost ready. Now we can add half a teaspoon of ghee into it. Spread the ghee well and make it into small balls. Our moong dal laddu is ready, and you can store this for almost a week, and you don't need a fridge to store this. You can put it in an airtight container and very well store it outside. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.